Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will be dealing with Unit 1 measurement. In that, we will be learning area and volume. Measurement is a physical quantity. The physical quantity is classified into fundamental quantities and derived quantities. The corresponding units of fundamental quantity is called fundamental units. The corresponding units of derived quantity is called as derived unit. Under fundamental quantity, we have measurement of very long distance. Under that, we will be learning astronomical unit and light year. Derived quantities, under that we have area, volume and density. Under area, we have area of regular objects, area of irregular objects by graphical method. Under volume, we have volume of regular objects, volume of liquids by measuring cylinders, liter and its multiples. Then under volume, we have volume of irregular objects, that is by Archimedes principle. Under density, we have definition of density and its unit, theory of interatomic distance, density of different materials, relation between density, volume and mass. In this class, we will be dealing with area and volume. A recall of previous class. Fundamental quantities, a set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. The corresponding units are called as fundamental units. Derived quantities. All other physical quantities which can be obtained by multiplying, dividing or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities is called as derived quantities. Their corresponding units are called as derived units. Think about the situation. Rani and her brother return from school. Their mother serves them some biscuits. Rani arranges the biscuit on a tray. She finds that the tray can hold 12 biscuits. If she wants to keep some more biscuits in the same manner, she wants a bigger tray because already 12 biscuits occupied the surface of the tray completely. The surface occupied by the biscuit is said to be the area of the tray. Area. The area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. Suppose if you want to find the area of a plot of the land, then the area of the plot of the land is derived by multiplying the length and breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. The unit of area is meter into meter, which is equal to meter square, which is equal to m square. So the unit of area will be meter square. Area is a derived quantity as we obtain by multiplying twice of the fundamental physical quantity length. So area is a derived quantity. Area of a regularly shaped figures. The area of a regularly shaped figures can be calculated using the relevant formulae. The formulae used to calculate regularly shaped figures are given below. If you take square of side A, then the area will be side into side, which is A into A, which is equal to A square. So the area of square is equal to A square. To find the area of rectangle, we should multiply length into breadth. So area of rectangle is equal to LB, which is nothing but length into breadth. To find the area of circle with radius R, we have to multiply pi into radius square, which is equal to pi r square. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. The value of pi will be 22 by 7. To find the area of triangle, we have to multiply half into base into height. The base of the triangle into the height of the triangle. So it is half into base into height, which is equal to half into BH. So area of triangle is equal to half BH. So the area of the square is A square. The area of the rectangle is length into breadth. The area of the circle is pi r square. The area of the triangle is half into base into height. Now you know how to find the area of a regularly shaped figures. Now we will do some problems based on this. What is the area of 10 squares each of side 1 centimeter? We have to find the area of 10 squares and each squares are with the side of 1 meter. So the side of the square is 1 meter. We all know area of a square is equal to side into side. So the side is given to be 1 meter. So it is 1 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 1 meter square or 1 square meter. So area of square is equal to 1 meter square. They have asked us to find area of 10 squares. So this is the area of 1 square. So to find the area of 10 squares, we have to multiply the area of the square that we obtained into 10. So area of 10 squares is equal to 1 meter square into 10, which is equal to 10 meter square. So area of 10 squares is equal to 10 meter square. Find the area of the following regular shaped figures. Take pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. So the first is a rectangle whose length is 12 meter and breadth is 4 meter. The next one a circle whose radius is 7 meter, and the next one is a triangle whose base is 6 meter and height is 8 meter. So first we will find a rectangle whose length is 12 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So here I have a rectangle with length 12 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So the length is 12 meter and the breadth is 4 meter. So 12 meter into 4 meter. 12 fours are 48 and meter into meter is meter square. So area of rectangle is equal to 48 meter square. Next we have a circle whose radius is 7 meter. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. They have asked us to take the value of pi to be 22 by 7. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 r square. So the radius is given to be 7 meter. So it is 7 into 7, which is equal to 22 into 7, which is equal to 154 meter square. So area of circle is equal to 154 meter square. A triangle whose base is 6 meter and height is 8 meter. So here is a triangle with base 6 meter and height is 8 meter. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into the base is given to be 6 meter and the height is 8 meter, which is equal to this 2 and 6 can be cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 3 meter into 8 meter. which is equal to 8 threes are 24, and meter into meter is meter square. So area of a triangle is equal to 24 meter square. Area of irregularly shaped figure. So we know how to find the area of regularly shaped figure. We have formulas to find. In order to find the area of irregularly shaped figure, we will see how to find. In our daily life, we encounter many irregularly shaped figures such as leaf, flower, star, maps, etc. There are many irregularly shaped figures which we come across in our day-to-day life. The area of such irregularly shaped figures cannot be calculated using any formula. We do not have a formula to calculate the irregularly shaped figure. Then you may think how to find the area of irregularly shaped objects. So we can find the area of these irregularly shaped figures with the help of the graph sheet. So with the help of this graph sheet, we can trace the figures and we can find the areas. Area of irregularly shaped figure. So to find the area of irregularly shaped figure, the following procedure have to be followed. Here the irregularly shaped figure is a star. A star image is placed on a graph sheet and the outline is drawn. Remove the image, you can see the outline of the star in the graph sheet. Now count the number of whole squares enclosed within the outline of the star. Take it to be m. Here I have counted. This red circle represents the whole squares. So I have 3 whole squares. I have taken it to be m. So m is equal to 3. Then count the number of squares more than half. Take it as n. Next count the number of squares which are half of a whole square. Note it to be p. Finally count the number of squares that are less than half. Let it be q. So we have to mention like this: m is equal to 3, n is equal to 6, p is equal to 3, q is equal to 12. So the approximate area of the star can be calculated using the formula area of the star is equal to m plus 3 divided by 4n plus half into p plus 1 by 4th into q square centimeter. So when you substitute the value of m, n, p, q in the following formula, I obtained as area of the star is equal to 12 centimeter square, that is 12 square centimeter. Likewise, you can calculate for any irregularly shaped figure. Note, the graphical method can be used to find the area of a regularly shaped figure also. In the case of square rectangle, this method gives the area accurately. Volume: the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. Volume is equal to surface area into height. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter or meter cube. Volume of regularly shaped objects. So the first object here is a cube with side A. So the volume of the cube is side into side into side. So it is A into A into A, which is equal to A cube. So the volume of cube is A cube, cuboid, with length L, breadth B, and height h. So volume will be length into breadth into height, which is equal to LBH. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. The next shape is sphere. with radius r. So its volume is 4 by 3 into pi into radius cube. 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. The value of pi is 22 by 7. So the volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. The next object is the cylinder with radius r and height h. The volume is pi into radius square into height, which is nothing but pi r square h. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Problem: find the volume of a cube whose side is 3 meter, a cylinder whose radius is 3 meter and height is 7 meter. So first we will find a cube whose side is 3 meter. The side of the cube is given as 3 meter. So volume of the cube is equal to side into side into side, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. So 27 centimeter into centimeter into centimeter is centimeter cube. So the volume of the given cube is 27 centimeter cube. Volume of a cylinder whose radius is 3 meter and height is 7 meter. We have to find volume of a cylinder and the radius is given to be 3 meter and the height is given to be 7 meter. So the radius is 3 meter and the height of the cylinder is 7 meter. What we have to find? Volume. We know the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. So the formula is pi into r square into h, where r is 3 meter and h is 7 meter. We have to substitute in the formula in order to find volume of a cylinder. So the value of pi is taken to be 22 divided by 7 into r. Radius is 3, it is r square, so 2 times you have to write. So it is 3 into 3 and the height is 7, so into 7. So you can cancel out the 7 in the denominator and the 7 in the numerator. So you will get 22 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 198 meter cube. When you multiply 22 into 3 into 3, it is equal to 198 meter cube. So volume of a cylinder is 198 meter cube. The next sum is find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 3 meter. We have to find the volume of the sphere and the radius of the sphere is given to be 3 meter. So volume of the sphere formula we know, volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. The value of pi is taken to be 22 by 7. So it is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. 3 times of the radius. So it is 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 3 into 3. So when you multiply the numerator, you will get, that is 4 into 22 into 3 into 3, you will get 792 divided by 7. So when you divide the number by 7, you will get 113.143 meter cube. So volume of the given sphere with radius 3 meter is 113.143 meter cube. Summary: we will see a quick review of what we learned in today's class. We learned about area. The area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. Next we learned how to calculate the formula to find the area of regularly shaped figures. We also found formula for square, rectangle, circle, and triangle. The next is the area of irregularly shaped figures. So we use graphical method to find the area of irregularly shaped figures, and the formula to find the area of irregularly shaped figure is m plus 3 divided by 4n plus 1 by 2 into p plus 1 by 4 into q square centimeter. The next we learned volume. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. Then we also learned how to find the volume of regularly shaped figures, and we also derived formulas for cuboid, sphere, and cylinder. Assignment: define area and volume. Find the volume of the cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are 2 cm, 5 cm, and 4 cm. Activity: take a leaf from any tree and place it in a graph sheet and draw the outline using the pencil and find the area of the leaf. Thank you.